I'm taking this secret budget ingredient and dumping it in the slow cooker with chicken to see if we can make a $2 a meal masterpiece. This is slow cooker dirty martini chicken. 6 huge servings, under $15, and these olives cook down and they melt into this rich, vibrant, velvety sauce. Even if you hate olives, you have to try this one. It turns into this creamy, buttery mix between chicken piccata and an Italian stew. Let's get cooking. Let's start off right with 1 cup of chicken broth right into the slow cooker. Oh yeah, look at that. Get in there, make yourself comfortable because we're building some serious flavor today. In go the chicken thighs, 2.5 pounds, boneless, skinless, absolute perfection. Always go chicken thighs over chicken breasts here, trust me on this. Thighs mean flavor, people. We don't do dried chicken in this household. Now add 4 full teaspoons of minced garlic. And yes, I said 4. We do not skimp on garlic in this house. Get it in there, my little vampire slayers. Going in with half a teaspoon of black pepper sprinkled right on top. Just a little kick, nothing crazy, but absolutely mandatory. Next, add 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Oregano, basil, thyme, the whole gang is here. Just a little herbal kick to make this entire crockpot come to life. And now 1 diced white onion coming into the party. Look at those sweet little cubes fall right in. Oh yeah, you know this is gonna build that ultimate savory base. Drained, rinsed, and ready. 1 can of cannellini beans tumbling right in. They are gonna get so soft and delicious. Time for olives. But wait, before you drain that can, scoop out 2 tablespoons of that rich olive brine and add it directly to our base. Trust me on this one, it wakes everything up. Now you can go ahead and drain and rinse those sliced olives and scatter them all over the top. Look at those colors coming together in here. And now, 2 tablespoons of butter right on top. Oh yes, richness meets the crock pot. Now, pop that lid on. We're locking in all these amazing flavors and cooking this baby on high for 4 hours. Quick question for you guys while it cooks. Are you team crock pot or team instant pot? Let me know in the comments. Once that 4 hours is up, it's time to remove the lid. After that, carefully fish out those chicken thighs into a separate bowl. Save them right here, we got big plans for them in just a minute. Time for the ultimate secret to richness. 4 ounces of cream cheese going straight into that hot liquid. Oh yes, now grab your spoon or whisk and start stirring it around. Watch it melt down, swirl into that broth, and turn this entire pot into a silky, creamy masterpiece. Look at that color shift. Keep stirring until it's completely smooth and totally combined. Look how insanely tender this chicken is. Take 2 forks and just pull it apart. It practically shreds itself. Oh yeah. Look at all these juicy pieces. Once you got it all shredded up, slide every last bit right back into that creamy, gorgeous sauce. Now, grab your spoon and give everything a big, beautiful mix. We want every piece of that chicken coated, soaked, and drinking up all those incredible flavors. Look at that pot, pure comfort in a bowl. Now for our finishing move, the juice of half a lemon going straight in. That little squeeze of sunshine completely elevates the entire dish. Give everything one final good mix to combine all those amazing layers. I'm serving mine over egg noodles today, but this would be amazing over some creamy mashed potatoes as well. Stay right where you are because next I'm doing a taste test. And I'll have on screen the exact ingredients and step-by-step instructions you need so you can try this at home. Let's get tasting. All right, I got it right here. Time for the moment of truth. Wow, That is incredible. The olive brine completely mellows out as it cooks down, leaving this bright, salty, buttery kick that cuts right through the richness of that cream cheese. You get that tender pull-apart chicken thigh with a sauce that tastes like a high-end chicken piccata mixed with a rich Italian stew. Even if you hate olives, this completely transforms them. And in better news, it's just a little over $2 a plate. You genuinely have to try this one. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. Also go to my channel and check out more crazy good budget recipes. Happy cooking, and I'll see you in the next one.